Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before I start delivering my statement, we can see that we have a huge number of journalist friends who have come from outside Bangla. So before I deliver my statement in Bangla, I would like to say something very briefly in English for our friends who have come from outside Bangladesh. Dear fellow citizens, distinguished journalists from home and abroad, good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum. The freedom-loving pro-democracy people of have once again brought victory to the Bangladesh Nationalist Party, BNP. Alhamdulillah. This victory belongs to Bangladesh. This victory belongs to democracy. This victory belongs to the people who aspire to and have sacrificed for democracy. From today, we are all free with the true essence of freedom and rights restored. I congratulate the people of Bangladesh by overcoming all obstacles. You have paved the way of establishment of democracy in the country. We are about to bring our journey in a situation marked by a fragile economy, left behind by the authoritarian regime, weakened constitution and statutory institution, and a deteriorating law and order situation. With your spontaneous participation, after more than one and a half decades, a parliament and government accountable to the people through direct voting are being established in the country. To ensure that no evil force can reestablish autocracy in the country, and to ensure that the nation is not turned into a subservient state, we must remain united and uphold the will of the people. A total of 51 political parties participated in this election, including Jamaat-e-Islami, NCP, Islami Andolan Bangladesh, Jamaat Ulema Islam, and Gano Adhikar Parishad, among others. I extend my sincere congratulations to every political party that participated in the national election, irrespective of the results. In a democratic state and political system, political parties are the true beacon of democracy. If both the government and the opposition play responsible roles from their respective position, democracy will surely take institutional form in the country. I call upon all democratic political parties that participated in the election. Your ideas and views are important to us in the nation-building process. Our paths and opinions may differ, but in the interest of the country, we must remain united. I firmly believe that national unity is our collective strength, while division is our weakness. Dear friends, now I would like to deliver my statement in Bangla. My colleagues, they will provide you the translated copy after I finish. Thank you so much. প্রিয় বাংলাদেশী, প্রিয় দেশবাসী, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। দেশের স্বাধীনতা প্রিয় গণতন্ত্র প্রিয় জনগণ আবারও বিএনপিকে বিজয়ী করেছে। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। এই বিজয় বাংলাদেশের, এই বিজয় গণতন্ত্রের, এই বিজয় গণতন্ত্রকামী জনগণের। আজ থেকে আমরা সবাই স্বাধীন। আমি দেশের সকল জনগণকে জানাই আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন। সকল প্রতিবন্ধকতা মোকাবেলা করে আমরা দেশের গণতন্ত্র প্রতিষ্ঠার পথ সুগম করেছি। ফ্যাসিবাদের রেখে যাওয়া ভঙ্গুর অর্থনীতি, অকার্যকর করে দেওয়া সাংবিধানিক